Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Electric food warming mat. Must-have hosting essential. Transform your dining and hosting experience with the roller-up electric food warming mat. The ultimate solution for keeping your meals perfectly warm and ready to serve. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a large gathering, this sleek warming tray provides rapid full-surface heating in just 10 seconds. No more cold food at parties. Just consistently delicious dishes kept at the ideal temperature for every occasion. Space-saving, roll-up design. Unlike bulky kitchen gadgets, the roller-up warming mat is designed with modern living in mind. Its flexible, durable silicone material easily rolls up for compact storage, saving you precious counter space. Ideal for on-the-go warmth. Whether you're camping, RV traveling, or setting up a buffet, it's the perfect companion for keeping food warm no matter where life takes you. Sliding tray mat. Heavy movement made easy. Are you tired of lifting and moving your heavy mixers, blenders, coffee makers, or any other kitchen appliance? Howsun's sliding tray mat creates the perfect counter appliance solution for you. Moving heavy countertop appliance from underneath cabinet is no longer a hassle, but a painless task thanks to our discreetly designed sliding tray. Effortless usage. Our tray slider will ease up your burdens by holding out all types of kitchen appliances from light to heavy, one up to 30 pounds. Versatile sliding tray. Our coffee pot sliding shelf is perfect for coffee maker, air fryer, blender, food processor, toaster, stand mixer, and other countertop kitchen appliances. Super convenient kitchen appliance. Simply slide out this handy caddy countertop tray when you need the slab and slide it back effortlessly when not needed. Cheese slicer. Slicer specifications. The cheese handheld slicer is 9 inches long and 3 inches wide, and the handheld cheese slicer is the right size and suitable for any type of cheese. The finely ground blade opening allows you to cut slices of even thickness. Slicer specifications. The cheese handheld slicer is 9 inches long and 3 inches wide, and the handheld cheese slicer is the right size and suitable for any type of cheese. The finely ground blade opening allows you to cut slices of even thickness. Multipurpose use. Used for cheese, ham slicing, cake spatula, cheese platter or sandwiches, etc., can easily slice cheese into thin slices. The shovel head is smooth and flat, can firmly scoop up and move the cut cheese. Help you make delicious slices of cheese on kids' sandwiches. Blender. Powerful 900W motor, pulse technology. Peak power 900W smoothie blender for shakes with upgraded all-copper turbo motor pulse technology. 23,000 RPM high speed, faster and stronger, but just as simple to use. With a simple press, this mixer blender lets you whip up drinks, dressings, and even baby food. Upgraded stainless steel detachable 6-leaf blade. This small blender has a 304 stainless steel 6-leaf blades, which can crush ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Turn even the toughest foods into nutrient-rich juice, shakes, and smoothies in 10 seconds. The removable blade assembly can easily be cleaned by simply rinsing with tap water. Larger capacity, portable design. The personal blender features 2 22-ounce blender cups and 2 to-go lids. Portable hooks add extra portability for carrying to the office, gym, class, car, or in your bag. All parts are no BPA to ensure healthy drinking. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential, dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen microwave food cover. Perfect match. Lectrock microwave food cover and mat tench. Mat is bowl holder to grab food immediately. Cover to keep clean microwave top and 4 sides. Mat to keep clean glass turntable. And with the mat, no burning, no waiting. Multi-purpose. Microwave cover as colander and washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat as microwave mat, silicone trivet, pot holder, utensils rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, vegetable peelers. Peelers for kitchen set include the 3-in-1 multifunctional Y vegetable peeler and I potato peelers. Upgrade precision stainless steel blades, stronger and sharper, smooth effortless peeling. Gank 3-in-1 vegetable peelers, standard blades, suitable for peeling hard peel. Serrated blade is more suitable for peeling soft fruit peel or smooth hard peel. As tomato apple peeler. Julienne peeler, Julienne carrot for make veggie salt have never been so simple. Batter dispenser. Sturdy and unbreakable. Ibeo batter dispenser is newly upgraded to sturdy and drop-resistant ABS material, so you don't have to worry about using it a few times before it is damaged. Don't have to worry about it being broken due to transportation, and don't have to worry about the dispenser falling from the tabletop anymore. The internal mixer system. Ibeo pancake batter dispenser has a built-in manual metal whisk. Just give the easy-to-use mixer a quick turn or two, and the internal whisk will do the rest. The last batch of pancakes will be just as perfect as the first. Meat thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions. Meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, BBQ, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for